the top, the trousers. I'm going to get my clients.
Can we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. High low shouldn't be this stock broke, shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me, snatch me up quick, let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward, bust down that door, playing all my cards now, 'cause I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. But I can't wait no more.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is actually a very busy day for me. As you can see, I'm dressed up already. I have a couple of things to do today. I first of all need to go out. I'm going to the FIRS office to submit a document, a tax related document for my client, because my client wants to get a TIN account, a tax identification number to open a business bank account. So I'm also helping my client to open his company's bank account. I'm liaising with a banker on that. And also I also want to file this company's trademark. I've actually done the search. The search has come out free. The result is free, so I can go ahead to file the trademark. So I'm going to be doing that as well. And what else? I actually have a presentation to prepare for later today. It's actually relating to my master's degree. If you guys don't know, I'm actually doing my master's currently. So I have a seminar presentation today and tomorrow. I'm not sure about today, but I'm very sure about tomorrow, which I need to actually prepare for. So then a couple of like work related things as well. So yeah, hope you guys are good. If you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Mosu. So I'm going to be heading out very soon. I just wanted to pop in here to like just greet you guys, say hi, and then just running through my day. So I also over the weekend I got a seal and stamp package for my clients, because he also wanted to get a company seal for his company. So I also do that as well. Mostly like all the like legal branding kind of stuff when it relates to your business. So yeah, let me just quit from yapping too much and just find myself something to eat, then head out. I'm actually heading out with my brother, and yeah, I think I need to go to school as well to pick up some past questions, because our exams is next month, September. Today is 6th of August, and exam timetable is already out for next month, so I have to be preparing and reading for my exams, right? So yeah, wish me luck, guys. I think I did first semester exam. I have the vlog on the channel already.
Meters, turn right onto Yashola Street. Right onto Yashola Street, then turn left onto Queen Street.
Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Good morning. Today is Monday, beginning of a new week. Today is 12th of August, and obviously I'm working from home today. I have some documentation I need to do. I'm submitting a bank account application for my client who has a company that I also registered. I'm also in charge of the trademark registration as well. So I also want to do a trademark registration today as well. Okay, so I'm actually reviewing a contract at the moment. It's a deed of equity, and the client called in over the weekend. Today's Monday. The client called in like on Saturday to help work on the deed of equity and also put my seal, and you know and we negotiated on the fee, and he has made payments, so I started the work. So I told him that before the end of today I will get the documents across to him with my seal, and yeah, so that's what I'm going to do today. And aside, I'm just in front of my computer working on the deed of equity. This, I've scanned it to the account officer to start working on it. And what else do I want to do today? I want to do a trademark application as well. So today I was just like I have work to do basically, and I also have book to read. I need to start working on my on reading for my exam. So I have like a dedicated time for the reading. I think I'm having like I thought I would be able to meet up to like 12 to start, or 12:30, but the way it's looking I might not be able to meet up, so I'm dedicating the time for the readings to be like around 1. So like I'll just time block it like from 1 to 2. I'm not doing anything else but to read. From 1 to 2 I'll just be reading majorly. Then the remaining, like I can schedule like let's say 30 minutes for a break time, then another 1 hour to read. So I can give myself like 2 to 3 hours in a day to read, because I have so much work to do. And the truth is, sometimes when you're reading you might also get distracted. I don't know, but I'm really trying to be focused because I have a lot of work to do. Like I have a lot of work to do. But yeah, that's it guys. Hope you guys are doing well today. I don't know if I've introduced myself. My name is Musu, and I am a lawyer based in Lagos, Nigeria. Majorly I practice corporate and commercial law. I also do run my law practice, where I provide legal services to majorly entrepreneurs, corporate owners, business owners, individuals like you that have a business that you're running. I secure your business, help you with the transactions, documentations, intellectual property, you name it. All right. At the moment, I do not do litigation. So if you're thinking of me wearing wig and gown to appear in court for you, you might be rethinking that, but never say never. But at the moment I'm not doing litigation. Time for litigation has passed for me. So majorly anyways. But yeah, okay, so let's go. Let me face my work. Just wanted to come here and just say hi. Guys, so I'm set for work today, as you can see. Yeah, and I decided to do a little bit of makeup today. I don't even know what kind of like inspired me, but I said I was going to do makeup today to go to work. But yeah, this is my outfit for the day. Just a very a jacket, and then a top, and a black trousers, or a black trousers. I just wanted to be very casual today. The top, the trouser, then the jacket, then my hair and all of that stuff. So I'm going to be wearing a nude flat shoe. It's downstairs, but yeah, I have enough things to do today. I have like so many things to do, so many books to read, but yeah, let's just get right into it. Guys, so I'm actually in the office right now, and I just got in not quite long just to face some few things that I need to do. So I just left the FIRS office while I was still coming from home, and I went to get my client's TIN certificate because I got in contact with the tax consultant and he said it's ready for collection. So basically, my client is a corporate entity. He has a company and he's trying to process the bank account details for his company. So I'm helping my client with I'm helping with his registration. I'm currently helping him to open a bank account in his company's name, and which is what was led to get a TIN certificate. And I also am doing a trademark registration for my client as well. And just so many other things, because he needs to do some other things like basic consultation, business consultation and everything. So yeah, so it's not really been easy if you ask me. And but yeah, we're working it, myself and my team. We're trying to get things up and running and make sure that it's facilitated. I actually do have some processes I need to do today. I need to do a business name reservation for another client. They paid in last night, so I need to do the reservation today. And after that, I need to also do some edit on a contract as well. And I need to write down the things I need to do so I will not forget, and I'll be able to have time for myself and also time to read for my master's exams, which is coming next month, and I have not really read anything at all like that. So yeah, just wanted to pop in here and say I hope you guys are doing well. And yeah, let me go through with my day. Guys, how are you doing? It's been a while actually, but I've been very busy. I've been having exams. I've been preparing for my exams. I think I said in the last vlog or last two vlogs, but anyways, hope you guys are doing well. I'm actually in front of my book, and I'm preparing for my second semester exam, which is going to be happening next week. No, the week after next week. So today is 23rd. I think this is 23rd of August actually. So my exams are starting on 2nd of September. I'm finishing it with my last paper the other week, the second week of the exam, on Thursday. I'm having company law, my first paper on Monday, and then I'm having labor law or law of labor relations the next week, Thursday, the second week of the exam. So I'm just preparing for the exam. I am in my room, obviously I'm not at home. I am in my school hostel, And the good thing is that they're giving us lights 24/7, so I can wake up at any time to actually pick up my book and read with the lights, and it's not really affecting my lights. But yeah, I'm also still working, you know, trying to attend to the requests of clients, and I'm also doing my work, my basic work, so that is not like on hold. Okay, but during the period of my exam, I will be slowing down. I won't really be taking a lot of requests or work requests, because I'm trying to focus on passing my exam so that I can be a Masters of Law degree holder. Okay, and I have a good news, guys. I don't want to spill the good news here as I'm reading, but I will spill it maybe in another vlog. Well, you must have seen it in the description of the, but let me just spill it anyways. I have actually launched my website, my own personal website. So I've always wanted something where I can showcase my work, showcase my experience, my career journey, and just basically everything I'm into relating to my journey. Yes, I've launched my personal website, and it's at the description box below. You guys can check it and let me know what you think about it. I'm really happy and grateful about this. I see it as a very good progress. It's one of the projects I've been working towards to, you know, for this year, and you know, it's happening. We give God the glory. I'm so grateful. We thank God for that. So yeah, that's what I wanted to say. My website is live. Check it out in the description box and let me know in the comment section below. Yeah,